All right, practice problem 3. Vertical. 18, ooh, we got a new color, y'all. 18 and 1/2 minus 17 and 2/8. This is an easy one. Common denominator is 8, okay? Not 16. Don't multiply them. That's too big. Set up my my multiplication problem. I get from 2 to 8 by multiplying by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. The 2 over 8 stays the same because it already has the correct denominator. 4 minus 2 is 2. Denominator stays the same. 18 minus 17 is 1. You can leave it just like this. Ooh, I don't like that color. But you may have noticed, hey, I can simplify that fraction because these are both even numbers, which means I can divide by 2, and I will get 1/4. So you can type 1 and 2/8 or 1 and 1/4. Both of them will be correct on the exit ticket. Let's switch colors because I don't like that green. Write it vertically. 13 1/8. That's a really small fraction, so this is probably going to be a hard one. Minus 12. Oh yeah, 10/12. 12 times 8 is 96. That's really big. So I'm going to count by 12s to see if I get to a smaller number that 8 can go into. 12, 24. 8 goes into 24. I'm going to set up my multiplication problems with my new denominator, which is 24. 8 to get to 24, I'm multiplying by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 12 to get to 24, I'm multiplying by 2. 10 times 2 is 20. Oh no, I do not have enough. 3 is smaller than 20. So I'm going to take from this 13. I'm going to take 1 from here, and I'm going to add it here. I cannot add it as a 1. I have to add it as a fraction. How do I know what fraction I'm using? Look at the denominator. So I'm going to make this 24 over 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So now I have 27/4 minus 20 24ths. 20 minus 7 is 7. Denominator stays the same. There's nothing left here. I'm not going to write the 0 because it means nothing. Final answer is 7 over 24. Cannot be reduced, so that's it. 2 more and then your exit ticket.